Welcoming guests onto the dais is like adding fragrance to our stage. On behalf of Kids Hut Montessori School, it is my honor to welcome you all to our much anticipated annual day. The world is full of diamonds and gems, and we have some of them here today to build this event. With this note, I would like to give my heartiest welcome to our Honorable Principal, Mrs. Sakina Arif, our Correspondent and Managing Advisor, Mr. Muhammad Arif, our dignified guests, my beloved teachers, my dear students, and everyone present in the audience. It's my pleasure to invite the powerful person who is called a great motivator. He set out to make difference with his passion, Mr. A.M. Arif Jokatte, the correspondent and the managing advisor of Kids Hut Montessori School. Now, it's great pleasure to invite our seasoned encourager and the navigator of this flagship of wisdom, our principal of Kids Hut, Mrs. Sakina Arif, to the stage. I would like to invite our principal, Mrs. Sakina Arif, and our managing advisor, Mr. Muhammad Arif, to welcome our esteemed guest with flowers as a token of our appreciation. I request Sabah to pass the flowers. I would like to extend a special welcome to our chief guest, Dr. Abhijit Varghese, specialist in oral and maxillofacial surgeon at Aurava General Hospital, Dammam. We are truly grateful for your presence and feel privileged to have you on this day. We are proud to welcome Mr. Mohammad Firoz, the Managing Director of Al Lagdood Company, Al Khobar, Saudi Arabia. Your presence adds significant value to our program. We are delighted to have you with us today. We extend a hearty welcome to our guest of honor, Mrs. Mumtaz Ahmed, the mother of our principal, Mrs. Sakina Arif. We are fortunate to have you with us tonight. As our guest, she is not comfortable to step into the dais. I request our managing advisor of Kids Hut to welcome her with flowers. Please give her a huge round of applause. Please give them a warm round of applause as we kick off what promises to be an exciting annual day. Mrs. Sakina Arif, the principal of Kids Hut Montessori School in Khobar and a Montessori certified trainer. She holds a BA and MA from Mangalore University and a BA from St. Anne's Autonomous University, Mangalore. With a strong background in education and leadership, Mrs. Sakina committed to fostering, nurturing, and intellectually stimulating environment for our young learners. As principal, she leads the school staff implementing effective teaching methodologies. Her vision centers on holistic learning, empowering teachers, and ensuring a strong educational foundation for the students. Under her leadership, Kids Hut Montessori School continues to uphold excellence in early childhood education. I am delighted to extend a warm welcome to our visionary leader and our guiding force, our principal, Mrs. Sakina Arif, with great respect and enthusiasm. Alright everyone, now it's time to hear from someone who has been our biggest supporter, toughest critic, and let's be honest, the reason why actually open our textbook. I am delighted to invite our respected principal, Mrs. Sakina Arif, to deliver the preface and address the gathering. Welcome her with a huge round of applause.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Esteemed guests, dedicated teachers, dear parents and well-wishers, and now my lovely kids. It's with immense joy and pride I welcome you all to the 11th annual day celebration of Kids at Montessori School. Today, special occasion for us to come together to celebrate the talents, achievements, and growth of our students. For the past 11 years, our school has been a place of learning, creativity, and values. We believe that education beyond the books, shaping confident and responsible individuals. Our dedicated teacher and staff have worked tirelessly to provide an environment where children can flourish academically, socially, and emotionally. Before we move forward, I would like to take a moment to introduce and extend a warm welcome our esteemed guests who have joined us today. We are privileged to welcome Dr. Abhijit Varghese, an esteemed oral and maxillofacial surgeon and head of the maxillofacial surgery department at Rauda General Hospital, Dammam. His expertise and dedication in the field of healthcare are truly inspiring. He is also one of our well-wisher and also supportive of our journey. Thank you, sir. We are also delighted to welcome Mohammad Firoz, Managing Director at Al Aktut Company, Al Khobar. He is an entrepreneur in the oil and gas sector. Originally from Mangalore, he has been residing in Saudi Arabia over a decade. He is also one of our well-wisher and former parent, always supportive of our journey. Your presence and immense value to our event, and we are truly grateful to have you here today. Thank you for joining us on this special occasion. Thank you, sir. One more guest, Mr. Muhammad Arif, is my husband. He is a dedicated social worker and key figure in education. As the correspondent and managing advisor of Kids at Montessori School, his vision and leadership have been instrumental in its progress. His guidance not only strengthens in my journey, but also empowers and supports our teachers, helping them excel in their roles and contribute to the school success. Thank you, sir. A special guest who holds very place in my heart, in my mother, Mumtaz Ahmed. मम्मी, आपके जैसे मुझको उर्दू नहीं आता, फिर भी मैं ट्राई करूंगी बोलने के लिए थोड़ा सा इंशाल्लाह। मम्मी, आपके साथ और प्यार मेरा सबसे बड़ी ताकत है। रियली सॉरी। डैड का सपना था कि मैं एजुकेशन फील्ड में एक मंच पर देखना चाहते थे, और अब हमारे पास वो बीच में नहीं है। फिर भी लेकिन उनका सपना और आशीर्वाद हमेशा मेरे साथ रहेगा इंशाअल्लाह। थैंक यू मम्मा। I want to express my deepest gratitude to the most important people in my life, my parents, my husband, and my mother-in-law, who have always supported me in my journey as an educator. My parents want to see me succeed in field, and after marriage, my husband and my mother-in-law continue to encourage me and uplift me with the same love and belief. Their support and sacrifices, constant motivation have been my biggest strength. I would not be here without them, and for that I am forever grateful. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir. We are truly have such a distinct guest among us. Your presence here, a great encouragement to our student and the entire school community. This year, our annual break embraces a beautiful mixed cultures and different states and regions, including Arab influences. Through their dance and performance, our students will take us a journey celebrating diversity and unity. I am sure you will enjoy the vibrant showcase they have prepared with the great enthusiasm. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed guests, parents, and well-wishers for your continuous support. Your encouragement inspires us to keep striving for excellence in everything we do. Let us celebrate this evening with the joy and pride as we witness the incredible talents of our students. Thank you, and I hope you all are wonderful time. Have a nice evening. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We are so honored and privileged to listen to your speech.